Melo. How many? Then I'm waiting our guy just talk for this that music. You know, say when we show enter your screen. This one, now as they come give you better HH and things every night from 11 to 11:30 on top Wazobia TV. And this one, now the show what they call Bobos Yarn. And you know, say regularly we don't save relationships and families since 2014. Yes, and sir. You know, say we dey always give una the church and things, bring splufic people come. We say they go follow us, they talk things. We say it concern babes and bubbles them. And make you follow us today that another special day because you get one big fish inside this bar with us today. But before I go unleash the fish, so that when I go fish slice and when they talk, make una enjoy every way in go yarn. I get my man inside the bar with me. Chakra.
Who go on, mama?
Why I say?
And I say the music where DJ take open us today. Now, kind of music where we say you sit down, the shark, you go to enter your body. No, the kind of music where they shout, no be every time.
If I say that because show man no day today, now make us give, now make and give us
you know matured man. No small boy for the studio.
The elder statesmen are doing things.
And again, our guest again,
you know,
come be elder statesman. Now, man will be saying, might just give him small little etc. Profile. Back then for Jos, for University of Jos, now one of the men will make entertainment be, wetin entertainment be for the whole University of Jos. That's when he be Aluta then. This is what they tell you that many years ago, no be small people. And then, you know, myself had the run things for the Jos. Meanwhile, I did Zaria, I did school for Zaria.
But you know, always falling Jos.
I always falling Jos, you know. He can't give me grant for the University of Jos too. You know, we run things together. And then for Lagos here, I tell you, by the grace of God, we see the run things. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about the one and only Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In quotes. Yes, so that one not expect to see Agbada. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Senator.
Then they wait for Agbada.
Then they wait to see Agbada now.
You know, yeah, whether they see Melo. I mean, our first one, we are the Agbada.
Senator, mama.
Bros, I hear you.
Agbada, before person go leave this program, you go high.
That's why we're in a bar.
You call the ask question, go here.
You know, we all come to the bar.
Yes,
we all come to the lawyers and everybody.
Everybody. Now, bar. As far as there is BAR,
yes,
it is a bar.
Bar is bar.
Yes, bros. We take you out of your tight schedule. You still come full us lunch for yesterday.
Who tells you schedule tight?
My brother, schedule not tight.
Call them for event of 1 million, Nana. You know whether it's free or not.
My brother, you see some of the two people there in the studio.
Because some people, they do that mistake. They say, in your tight schedule. Nobody schedule tight.
My brother.
See, who I will take give example now? Who be the top musician? Who is the top musician for Nigeria?
Right now?
No, Senator. Who? Top musician.
You know there are too many. They don't even know themselves again. Just say top song where you
say top song.
Top song.
Maybe like, what will be this boy?
Go Shakiti Bobo.
Shakiti Bobo.
You know, as today now, we believe say, person sing Shakiti Bobo, which is Olamide.
Yes.
His schedules are very tight.
Yes.
Before you go see Olamide, there's a problem. But call Olamide management and say, I have 20 million. Just for him to come and sing that Shakiti Bobo. You go notice Olamide, it's less busy.
Yes, man. Most of these boys, they're computer game that they play for us. Work no day. Sometimes some of these our colleagues, the comedian, they put up picture for their DP. Say killing it at a wedding.
No,
me when I wedding when they don't do since February. How many times you want to kill them? Now the couple they reply and say, we have married since. Now why are you using us as a DP? This is not my second
bros, yes, this one said come bring me enter the matter we will talk about today because you know say you be our bros, so we really just want to talk one very specific matter today.
Yes, sir.
And matter we always talk about most times. As I talk for my introduction, I say, you know, babes, bobs, you know, yes, relationship, all together, all around.
Yes.
Now, we just want to ask people for house, and we really want to deliberate on this matter today. Say, how you fit take sure, say you go get happy married life?
That one's strong.
How you feel make sure, say you get happy married life, like you marry, how you fit take make sure, say your marriage is perfect, it makes sense, it's sweet, it's jolly.
The truth be say, anybody wey talk say he know how marriage go take good, nah, thief, he be. na brother. Or magician.
So
nobody they know and finish.
So wetin come be wetin come dey happen when person say I met the right man or right woman. You know that kind of, because with this thing wey you talk now don't make me wan counter your statement say you are wrong. Reason because why? Some people when they date, nothing sweet reach am as some when they wake up say they serve breakfast in bed. You understand? Some don't even go holiday for Paris and before they marry you, then tell me I can't marry that kind of person. You can't tell me say I no get assurance say I don't marry the best, as in the sweetest marriage so far.
My brother, you know say to see him as boyfriend girlfriend they different to see him as marriage. You know understand? Because look, I first drink this thing small. As you marry, now the person you're going to see every day as you wake up.
One of the friends who you see every day.
She they live for your house. She
Most
live for your house.
of them they spend more time.
But they spend more time together after class, they go together, or after work, she come your place, all those kind of things.
You know, no say that time, to say I no do, no they take anything. I no do. Come on, tell her, make she go, now make she go. But you see, for marriage, you know if you say you no do. Because many things that they are at stake. As they talk that one, boyfriend, girlfriend, her family if not even know you. True. Now you they say, now the girl when I want marry me this. True. And now the boy when I want marry me this. True. Nothing concern family, nothing concern friends. Nobody know now. This Nigeria where they like cover shame. We go the manager man say they be, the manager man say they be. You go see woman where the husband, they can't slap when they land her for body. If they land you man that slap, you feel they Igbobi. Hey. But she still there because she want answer say she they married. You understand?
So what can be those things where we really feel do to make sure say the marriages really make sense? It
and now you come, because if you thought say person must know wetin go make the marriage they good, na mistake they make. You must not know him. You cannot even know him.
But if you know I'm not be plus.
If you know him,
like for example now, if I marry lady where we say we just did, she buy me ride, she just do some kind of things where we say, you know, where they out of the usual. Like we had make African woman just they buy things for man like that. Buy you ride, buy you this. Just say, man, you should already from there take and say, man, I am in a what do they call that thing? Swing where children, you understand?
Well, they call Lilo for
Lilo, you understand?
See, as it be now, so make I tell you something, Shakara. You know, say any marriage where you enter like that, where they sweet you, they go so. Pepper they come.
So na bad thing. Now me marry sweet person from day one.
Not why be say bad thing?
Why be say when in Nigeria this is there for Africa where even for church they go tell you say for this marriage time will come for bitterness. Endure. Time will come for must time come for bitterness. It must come. It must not come.
It must come.
If person they go into marriage, person go always prepare in mind for the negative times. There's always a time to cry and there's a time to sleep.
Nah, the third Shakara should say because you go get time where it no go good. You go get time where it go good. You don't like now where government don't change so. Where our government now they try see how they go take collect all the stolen money. But as they try collect now, people they suffer more.
True.
But after they collect them, now you feel they see something. Now
those kind say we go see be that.
Those kind of breakfast in bed where they talk about. You think say now you go to work. Or say the man they walk out for road, or can I hit him? It can't be say one leg. The way they walk out normal before, don't change like this. You know, say her friends go to tell her say. This new bouncing where your husband the bounce, she say no, leave and go correct another better.
But
person.
if the foundation still there, if the foundation still there, let me say the man when he get two legs, he get company. As he like Ben, he no stop the company from bringing back with the way
you don't really talk and say foundation go change. You don't know say guys will take build house finish or they see crack for the wall.
True.
You don't know say water go begin to leak from the zinc.
True.
Even if money they come in, our friends go to tell us. They'll say, where's this lady's husband? Say, we don't know, but anybody that is working, you don't know that's how they be. By then, the thing she'll call the look and say, hey, no be the person when I married before. Small insult go call the enter. The man feed the chop. As they chop, he just cough. He say, why are you now coughing at the food that I'm cooking for you? So there's too much pepper now. Probably not the enter.
I remember we chop on the enter street, we will go for street. When we come back, we see the hear the matter with Senator inside bar for here. How you fit to make sure say you get happy married life. Now what we dey talk about today. Not go anywhere and I say Bobos Yarn. We dey come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.